Parking charges. In a parking space, n vehicles are parked. The parking charge for each vehicle is calculated based on how long it has been parked. The parking charge per hour may vary depending on the type of vehicle. The parking charge of vehicle is calculated based on the following conditions. If a vehicle is parked for h hours and m minutes, and the parking charge for the vehicle is p rupees per hour, then the total parking charges is h into p if m is less than or equal to 30, else the total parking charge is h plus 1 into p. If the vehicle is parked for less than or equal to 30 minutes, then the total parking charge is p. Parking time, hours to minutes, and the parking charge per hour for each vehicle are passed as input to the program. The program must print the number of vehicles parked more than H hours and Y minutes. Then the program must print the type of number of vehicles charged above Z rupees as output. Let us check the input and output. Four vehicles as given with the parking time and the number of hours it has parked or charge it needs. For 4 days it is given and 3 hours we have to find what are the number of vehicles which are parked more than 3 hours and 15 minutes and the number of vehicles which has a parking charge of more than 50. That's right. Charge is above Z rupees. Yes. More than 50, not less than or equal to more than 50. Here we found the explanation that number of vehicles which is parked more than 3 hours and 15 minutes and more than 50. The first vehicle parking time is 2 hours 45 minutes and the total charge is 30, which is so here the time minutes is more than 30. So we got 2 plus 1 into 10 is clearly given here. If the m is less than or equal to 30, we have to multiply the hour into number of hour into parking charge, which is given here. These are like the every car's parking charge per hour. If it is more than 30, we have to multiply like h plus 1, increasing the hour by 1 and multiplying it with the parking charge. So what we need to do, first we need to take the input, range of input, then for I in range of n, then what we need, okay, we just create a list here and we just up and L dot open list of input dot split. Okay, after that we just get hour comma minute of hour comma minute equal to on the parking charge. Okay, let me type it clearly. Why not? Hour comma minute comma charge map of in comma input dot split. Okay, we got all the input here. Now I can't see this car. Oh, parking. Okay, I just named it parking. Okay, what we got here, just let me just check it. Whatever we got is right or wrong. Is that so? That what we have to do? Yes, whatever we got is right. So we can move further. What we got next? We need to find out if running the for loop for I in range n if 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 parking of I of oh, 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 oh. I need to split this also, right? What I have, oh, it is like in that format only, so I can just slice it. Zeroth index, here zeroth index, first index, second index, then third index, fourth index. That will be iterate from 2 to 4. 0, 1, 2, okay, 3 to 4. 3 to end. That is the end of the string. This will be the minutes, right? This is nothing but minutes. I just slice the string only for the minutes. As you see, this is like zeroth index, first index, second index, then the 4, 5 is the third, fourth index. As this 4, 5, it's the last of this string. I just started from 3 until the end. I just sliced. If it is greater than 30, if it is greater than 30, less than or equal to 30, yeah. Greater than 30 means charge. CH. Charge. Charged. Okay, charged equal to mm, R plus 1 into E, right? If it is greater than 30, power plus 1 into P. I need to slice parking of I of like first index, second index is 0, 1. It should start with 0 and end with 1. And this is int. Int of parking plus 1 into 30. I think correct. Where is this bracket here? Int of parking plus 1 into 30. Okay, if that is equal to charged. Hmm. If it is greater than, why do we need this variable? If charge is less than, if charge is what you have charge is less than this, then count plus equal C2. I just take this as C2. Just declare two variables C1 comma C2 equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, this is like second charge. First, okay, just found the number of hours a charge. If charge is more than that, then we have to find like time. More than 3 hours 15 minutes. Okay, just I just hour and minute. Hour equal to this. We can split it also using the split function. But this is fine. Yes, we have typed it. If hours parked is greater than hour and minute parked greater than minute, then C2 is equal to 1. Count is equal to 1. Hour parked greater இருந்தாலே போதும். If it is equal means it is more means hours parked is equal to I show you R, and this condition is what means if the hours parked is more than hour, definitely it is going to be added, or if the hour is equal to that hours what they have mentioned, and the minute is greater than the given minutes parked, so it will be counted. And if the charge, here is the charge part, every charge is given if minute parked is greater than, oh, charge right here, if charge is less than, for that we need minute parked, right? Okay, if minute parked is greater than 30, charge parked, charge for parked will be hour plus 1 into 30, hour plus 1 into charge, then hour parked plus 1, hour parked plus 1 into charge, parking int of parking 1. Yep. Why do we need that variable? If okay, if if charge is less than this calculation, then C2 plus equal to 1. Else, if charge is less than hour parked plus 1 into int of parking of 1. C2 plus equal to 1. Yeah, that's all I think. Let's check this. We got all these conditions. What they have mentioned, we just done it here. Not list. What list? Hours parking of I of why don't integer must be in a byte like object number not list. What I have done? Why it's showing error? There is nothing wrong here, right? Or something is wrong. Yes, in that list, it is like zeroth index. In that zeroth parking of 0, Parking of 0 means this one. In this one, oh, in this one also I need to go for 0. Ah, okay, got it. I just got it. This is 0th index in that. Okay, 0th index in that 0. 0th index in that first. Parking of 0 lo 1. Okay, now that is fine, right? It's like minute parked greater than 30 if charge is less than hours parked plus 1 into int of parking of I of 1, then C2 plus equal to 1. Yes, I have done type it. Let's check this. Syntax there now. Oh, which line? Line number 15. What syntax here? Elif minute parked charge or plus 1 caret only, right? Semicolon I put here. This is a colon and hours parked greater than 1. Hmm? What about me?